Evolution of E-CAD. The evolution of CAD. While it may seem new to some, many of the CAD programs we use today have been around for more than a decade, and almost all trace their roots to work that began more than 50 years ago. How many of you remember when we had to do schematics with a pencil and electric eraser on a drafting board? Then we moved to the first mechanical CAD tool that we started using for electrical panel design. Now we have access to E-CAD programs that use macros to help us speed up our designs and reduce errors created from copying and pasting from design to design. Macros and variants make designs faster and easier. Complete pages can get generated in a matter of seconds, complete and ready to build. Contact WSCAD Americas and let us show you how it's possible.